So here's just a real quick tutorial on how to share an infographic that you create in Venngage with a free account. You're going to want to sign in to your account and then choose the infographic you'd like to share. When you hover over it, you can either edit or preview. You want to edit. All right, that's opening up. And then notice across here you've got publish, share, download, settings. Not all of these work out with a free account. But in order to share your infographic on a free account, you need to publish it. I don't know why I just moved that. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. So you're going to go up to publish, and this is the URL that you need to click on in order to publish your infographic. So we'll do that. Now it's published. Okay. Once you've done that, you can go up and you can click on the link up here, and you can either embed that as a hyperlink for Blackboard or an email or whatever you want to do. But again, you have to publish, and once you publish, you're going to go up and grab this URL up here. That's it.